hard for me here. My food, I said I was gonna be eating 1,700 calories. So let's not waste my time in here. I floss every day, but I ain't a dentist. I ain't taking that back because I'm in set. Hola, 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 mis amigas. ¿Cómo estás hoy? ¿Qué tal tu día? Mi día es muy lento, pero voy a exercitar. Hey, 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 how are you today? How is your day? And my day is slow, but I'm going to work out. And I didn't see y'all last week. And of course, what? I missed you guys. I didn't have it in me last week. I didn't have anything. So I decided that I wanted to lose a little bit of weight. And I realized that I had to give myself permission to lose weight because for the past 2-3 years, I've been having that mindset that the fitness is independent of weight loss. And then I realized I had to give myself permission to say, like, I love myself, but I still want to lose like a little bit of weight. Finally giving myself permission, I give myself written permission, like, it is okay to lose weight. It is okay to eat in a deficit. It is okay to track your calories. It is okay to have a little bit of hunger at the end of the night. It is okay to care for yourself in a different way right now to meet your goals. The other thing is me constantly reminding myself that weight loss is more about the food and less about the exercise. I'm keeping that in mind even as I'm working out. The working out is purely for physical health. The weight loss is controlled by the food. Because I feel like a lot of times we go to lose weight, we always think about, oh, I'm going to work out more, I'm going to work out more, and we never really look at our diet consistently. Right now, I'm eating 1,700 calories. I've been doing this for like the past couple of days. It's been really hard. It's been hard for me here. And then not eating after 10, because I don't really go to bed until extra late. So those are the two things that I am going to be doing consistently. And then this week, I gave myself a challenge of not eating any chips, because y'all know them chips be having me in a hole. Anything flaming hot, it just come and it put me like in a vice grip. That beeping is annoying me, so we're gonna go into the gym and start the workout. And I'll probably talk to y'all more in there, but welcome back. If y'all new here, I'm Asia G, and that's backwards. If you're new here, I'm Asia G, and if you're not, welcome back. And let's go hit this workout, and I'll tell y'all more about it inside the gym. And let's get the energy high. I have my pre-workout, so instead of my energy kicking in at the end of the gym session like it normally does, it's here now with us in present time. So
she got me entangled, faking me like Rango, dancing like it's tango. I'm in over my head, over my head. She got me.
Okay, I like that combo. I need to get a heavier dumbbell for the step back lunges.
She got me entangled, faking me like Rango, dancing like it's tango. I'm in over my head, over my head, over my head. 2 left feet, I'm twisted up. 3.
I don't want to be a player no more. I'm not a player, I just curse a lot.
2's not enough for you, it's the price I pay. 5 below, almost in the grave. Gotta hand it to you, got me stumbling hard. I got the sinking feeling that you're leading me on. I don't mind it, kinda like it, kinda like it. She got me entangled, faking me like Rango, dancing like it's tango.
I do a lot of lightweight workouts at home, so when I'm in the gym, these 1 or 2 days a week going forward, I need to make sure that I'm lifting a little bit heavier than what I'm lifting at home, because I get that light workout at home. So let's not waste my time in here. Let's get it together.
Over my head, over my head. She got me entangled, faking me like Rango, dancing like it's tango. I'm in over my head, over my head, over my head. Pull me closer now, pull me closer now.
working out, and I wanted to talk a little bit more about my food. I said I was going to be eating 1,700 calories. So I want to show you guys what 1,700 calories look like for me today. I don't meal prep food yet, but I do think that it may be helpful if I ate the same things a couple of days throughout the week, just so that I'm not constantly trying to figure out the calorie count for the day.
Hope you know that I noticed the way you ain't like all them other girls. Why you always glowing? It's that golden smile, oh just say cheese. I'm thinking you were heaven sent. Gotta tell me where you been, hiding your wings. But you got me floating. Just the back of your eye weakens my knees. Hope you know that I noticed.
If y'all heard humming, that's the air fryer cooking my chicken sausages, which is why I'm not eating right now, even though I just finished making my eggs. I should have cooked the chicken sausages in the air fryer first. But this is going to be like a really big protein start after that. Protein shake. Egg whites are like a really good source of like lean protein. It's mostly only protein. I think it may be like 1 or 2 carbs, no fats because it don't have the egg yolk. So I will have 200 grams of egg whites. I'm going to have a chicken sausage, which is let me see how many grams of protein in it. 16 grams of protein, but it also has 9 grams of fat. So anytime you having like a sausage, it has protein, but it also have like a staggering amount of fat. But I'm gonna eat it because it's gonna be delicious. So what's that? 16 grams of protein in the chicken sausage, then basically 22 grams of protein, and that's, so what is that, 38 grams of protein plus the 20 grams of proteins I already had. So that's like 58 grams of protein so far, and it's just 2 o'clock and I really just started eating. So what we're gonna make today for lunch is gonna be simple because I'm a simple girl, okay? So let's get into that, and then I will just show myself making. No use to like talking through it right now.
Where you ain't like all them other girls, you know what I noticed? The ground, it just won't touch your feet. You're only human, but to me you could be more than. Cupid been taking me round in circles, round in circles. I've been around the world, but nothing compares to the way you glow when the light's not there. I'm feeling scared, oh no. I know you wouldn't hurt to fly off this position. No, you ain't the type not to fight for possessions. I'd put that on my life, but you could have my soul. You could have every part of my body and then more. Said I would give it all to you, cause you my light. Because you look good when the world's not right. You know I wanna kiss from you, oh I got it bad for you. You're one of a kind, and I swear I wouldn't lie to you. Ha 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 ha. I'm laughing at the way I'm feeling. Think I gotta take a seat and check if I'm tripping.
Y'all saw me make like a little tuna salad. It doesn't have any carbs with it. I will eat this just by itself, but if y'all made this for some reason, y'all could definitely have crackers with it or have it like on a tuna wrap with some lettuce, tomatoes. It is mostly a fat and protein meal. So I have this, and then I have this pre-packaged salad, and this is ground chicken. I'm just gonna warm this up and add this to the salad, and that will be delicious. And then make it a little bit more protein because this salad has chicken in it, and it says it has 9 grams worth of protein. Well, I guess because it got nuts. It got like a little bit of chicken, then some nuts and some cheese. So I guess I can see how it has 9 grams of protein, but this will be for the protein in this meal. And then I have a very carb sugary snack of cantaloupe. I love cantaloupe in the summertime. I know some people don't like cantaloupe, but it's delicious. It is delicious. I would eat it right out the rind. So my last snack is going to be a carb heavy snack, which is like popcorn, and it is a 94% fat free popcorn. This meal is very, like my eating today, I won't even say this meal, my eating today and yesterday as well was very low in carbs. That was not intentional. It's just kind of how it worked out. So it's very low in carbs the past 2 days, but very high in fats, and then kind of moderately high in protein. So I have to figure out the fats part of my diet and packing food. And my chicken sausages finally finished cooking, and I burnt them to a crisp unintentionally, but I'm gonna eat them because I like burnt sausages. The other thing that you may notice with my meals today is a lot of it was already either prepackaged or like really easily prepared. I didn't really do any cooking. I didn't do no cooking except for the eggs and then warming up that sausage in the air fryer. And then I had ground chicken from my meal yesterday, which was a taco salad. So it's going forward, I kind of show a little bit more of what I'm going to eat. I'm going to branch out some, but this is just like a really easy quick meal, and I'm going to scarf this down and then get ready to get out of here. Now that all of that is done, it was so good hanging out with you guys today. And I know it is such a YouTube thing to say that I missed you guys, but I did miss you guys, and I'm actually looking forward to editing this video and getting it up for you guys. So if y'all are having like any fitness goals, weight loss goals, weight gain goals, muscle goals, any of that stuff kind of creeping up on you going into this fall season, please share them down below. I am curious and I want to know, and I'm ready to get back on some kind of gym routine for real this time. For real this time, y'all. So more than once a week. I need to go twice a week, because even though I do the home workouts and I do hot yoga and I do cardio, I need to lift heavier weights that I don't have here at the house at least 2 days a week, and I know this. So it may take me a little second to figure out how that fits in my schedule. I know they will require me to get up earlier, and I have been wanting to let that bed go. Slothiness has been all on my spirits. This morning I woke up and couldn't go back to sleep. I had like a weird dream, so I was like, no need to go back to sleep, let's get on up. And maybe that will be the thing that is sent my way by the Lord to say, here's some weird dreams so that you get up in the morning when the alarm go off. Because if I'm dreaming too good, I want to roll over and finish the dream. Anyway, thank you guys for hanging out with me, and I will see you next time. Until then.
When you look at me, it feels so heavenly. You're perfect head to feet. Hope you see what I see.